Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Comrade Taste TV. I am Comrade Babatunde. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make this kind of flyer. You can use it to advertise your products and to promote your business. Let's go. First of all, let me refresh it, edit this text, and upload my background. I've already have my own background, which is Pixellab. Then select, yeah, boom. After that, I'll add my text, edit it, delete it, and write through capital letter K. Yeah, and I'll resize it. Then I'll select my font. Let me check this. Is this okay? No. I'll select another one. There we go. Then I'll reposition it and copy it and edit it and delete. Then here we go. And now resize it and resizing it. Here we go. Then I'll copy it over again and edit it and write my text. Then I'll resize it, deposition it. Then I have to resize it over again. Then I'll resize it here, reposition it. Yeah. Then I'll copy it over again and edit it, delete. Then write my text, logo design, brand design, and flyer design. Okay. Then I'll resize it, then reposition it, resize it over again. Then I have to resize it. Then reposition it carefully to adjust it. Then I'll copy it again. Write my brand name, which is Comrade Graphic Design Concept. Then I'll have to resize it a little bit. Yeah. Then I'll upload and import my icon, which is download here. Yeah. Then I have to resize. Then I will take it to back. After that, I will lock it, unlock all of them. Then I will add my shape. And here is how I achieve my transparency or glass shape. Crease the radius. Then here, reduce the opacity into 50 to 60, between 50 to 60. Here, here is how you are going to achieve your transparent shape. You see how beautiful it is? Then I will lock it and add my contact, which is going here. Text 168, right? 168. I then I'll choose fonts for my contacts. Here we go. Then I will choose color, giving it a black color so that too. Then I will reposition it. Then I have to let me copy, lock it, and add my text over here. Just call into action. That's me on WhatsApp. Here is my call action. Then I'll give it a font. This is the size. To be so reviews. Then I'll reposition it a little bit. And boom, here it is. I will add my logo. This. And I used to like to add watermarks to my design so that I can scale it. So I'll add my watermarks using my logo. Here's how we are going to add your watermarks to your design so that you can scale it. Then it will be to erase this. Then we'll reduce the opacity. Then I will copy it again. Boom. We are finished. Done. This is how you can design a flyer for a business. You can add any amount. You can add 3K, 5K. Then where I write design, then you can customize it and write anything. Like now t-shirt, 2K, then you write t-shirt. Or it is digital course, you write the price 5K. Digital course can increase your earning. Also some logo design and you write what the design is all over. Then the brand, then you write the brand complete graphic design, then call to action, call me or link or whatever. Then you input your contact, like I do. Then if you like, you can add your logo and you can add your watermark to show your design. Here it is. If you like this video, kindly turn on notification bells, like and comment and subscribe. I'm Comrade Babatunde. Please share.